Hey, what is up, traders? This is Stan Gluzman here with 7 Points Capital, bringing to you today's trader takeaways. So let's jump into the stocks that we traded this morning. I've closed out all my trades. A few things are still moving, but there's a lot less edge at this point. The biggest trade for the day was LPTX. This might be the biggest trade of the month for me as well. This was an A+ setup where we gap up and we start drifting down pre-market. Nice downtrend. You can draw a straight line curving down here, and I was waiting for some kind of a pop and a rejection, and then we got exactly that. We popped up 97, 297, had a massive offer. It must have been like 70,000 shares or something like that, and I was risking off of that offer, and I sized in quite a bit. Started in on a green candle. Once we actually rejected, started hitting the bids. I joined the sellers, and there was a big bid at 290, so I hit that one as well. From there on, it was trading around core until it started to go sideways. Once it started to go sideways, I left it alone, although I thought there's probably a few more legs. Should have probably participated in that. Let me show you the executions. LPTX. So right there. So as you can see, just kind of waiting for a pop, anticipating a pop in the stall, and that's exactly what I got. Cover, reshort, cover, reshort, cover until it doesn't work anymore, and that's really it. This was another good short right here. Missed it. What else was there today? There, traded this one. So here, I went off of the tape. I actually bought and sold at about the same price. I mean, I shorted like 312s and I covered at 3, which threes were holding, and this looked like, I mean, this was still front side. What I didn't account was the fact that they had an active ATM, which was reflected in the price very shortly after. So I didn't do my fundamental research. I was kind of just basing off of the technicals, and technicals said that it's a good potential breakdown, but it's probably a 50-50. So I just closed it out for a scalp, and yeah, and missed out on a pretty big one. But I'm not really too upset, because these front side shorts haven't been working, and that's not something that I want to do consistently. Although I think if I looked at the filings, I would have held a small position. Let's see what else we have. NIHD. NIHD was a gap down that I was thinking it's going to curl down right here. Started in the short. Tried it a couple times actually. Started in, got stopped out, then I started in again here. There was a lot of buying. They were holding these 35s to 36s, I believe. So I started buying 36s, selling, and then just kind of trading the chop. But I was on the right side for the most part, so I was pretty much flat on the stock. And the last one was SLNO. This one was backside short right here, and then I took a 1-hour loss. Started in, added probably a little chase, and then sized down. Down here, I was flat on the stock. I was thinking we'll actually break down, and then once we started to put on higher low, I was thinking, okay, we're gonna uptrend. PHAS was the one that I missed. That was a similar setup to LPTX, but right here. So I want to see backside. We did pop here, but so far this was still front side for me, because the trend line has been broken, and we have a double bottom here and an up move. So for me, this is still front side. I don't really want to step in front, but once we drop and then have a small bounce right here, that's a good short. So I missed this one because I was busy with LPTX. By the time I noticed it, the bid was 710, the offer was like 730, and I was putting orders out. I never got a fill. It's SSR, very hard to get a fill, and it just ran away and dropped pretty significantly from the entry signal, and still dropping. So that could have been another massive trade right here. We have a few runners, but I'm not really too interested. DERM, a couple of people are shorting this one in this consolidation right here versus 14, so we'll see how that plays out. I'm not in it. And that's pretty much it. So pretty decent morning. Couple of winners, couple of losers, one pretty big winner, LPTX, so that's how I like to keep that. And that's it. These are takeaways. If you guys have questions, you can tweet at me at @Trader. This is Gluzman. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.